Aboriginal culture and heritage is vital to Aboriginal people in New South Wales. We've been waiting a long time for this legislation. This is now your opportunity to get out and have your say.
The New South Wales Government has now released the draft Aboriginal Cultural and Heritage Bill for public consultation. It's important that you have your say before the new laws are introduced to Parliament in June of this year. The New South Wales Aboriginal Land Council strongly argues any new laws must build on the Aboriginal Land Rights Act and must genuinely have Aboriginal people at the centre, making decisions about our culture and heritage.
Either write in a submission, or email in a submission, or even call if you feel strong about this culture and heritage legislation. Friday the 20th of April is the closing date for submissions. So if you feel passionate, get your submissions in before Friday the 20th of April.
Visit our website for more details and how to have your say.